Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix time sync error on Windows or Mac. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings, simply go to your start menu and then type in settings, and then once you're here what you need to do is select time and language, and once you're here what you need to do is tap on this sync now. Now if you are having problems syncing now, what you can do is open up your start menu, type in services on your search bar and then hit enter, and now here what you need to do is search for Windows time. So scroll down and then here you'll find the Windows time. Simply right click on it and then click on properties. Then once you're here you'll see the status type manual, click on it and select it to automatic, then click on start and then click on apply and then click on OK. And once that's done, your issue will be fixed. And the next thing that you can do is head back over to your start menu and then search for time date CPL. Now you can select the change in date and time option and you can manually set the time as well. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.